get in our charters for Chartbusters, find out what exactly they're picking out today. We've got Kunal and Nooresh joining right back in. And Kunal, let's start off with you. What's looking good on the charts?
I picked up an insurance stock, SBI Life. So, over the last few weeks, we've been highlighting a lot of insurance names, the likes of ICICI Pru, HDFC Life, etc. SBI Life is also one of the stocks which is now coming back into a radar in terms of a breakout trend. Now, over the last 6-7 months, from the October lows for the stock when the stock was at 1300 rupees, that was the point when the stock had started to form a strong uptrend for itself. As you can see, consecutively the stock has been making a pattern of higher highs and higher lows for itself. So this was the first swing low for the stock, formed a higher swing low at current levels, and then these are the points where the stock had formed a major support point. So the uptrend is quite calibrated, very gradual for the stock. It's now inching towards a very similar kind of a support. So as you can see that closer to this 1500 odd levels is where the stock had found a recent support, and it's now coming back into a recovery phase, which means on the way up the stock should be able to cross about this previous swing high. So a short term trade could be initiated at current levels with a potential target closer to 1575 to 1600.
Right. Nooresh, what's the Chartbuster that you've identified?
So that's the stock which I recommended in the morning and yesterday, which is an chart for Indigo. Now, if you look at the stock has been trending well. The concerns always were for the stock of the promoter selling. Yesterday, the block got done, and we've seen good volumes and price action for the last 1.5 month. The stock was facing resistance around 3200 to 3250 levels. Finally, the stock has broken out above those levels, and with the overhang done, getting into a stage wherein the stock could slowly and steadily go towards 3600 to 4000. And this breakout has taken after 3 to 4 attempts. So looks like a confirmation today after closing about 3250. Stop loss now to be kept at 3100 and a buy at current levels as well as on dips.
Stock ideas then, and let's find out what our chartists are picking out. It was SBI Life and Indigo as the Chartbuster ideas. But Kunal, what are the top stocks you're recommending?
So I'll go with two mid-cap names. AB Capital is the first stock which I would continue to recommend as a buy. Targets of 200, stop loss 177. And Poonawalla FinCorp has seen a very good recovery yesterday. Looks like that the stock is seeing a follow through today as well. So buy with target of 500, stop loss 425.
And Nooresh, let's get in your recommendations. What's looking good on the charts?
So first is a buy on Tech Mahindra, making a base and making a recovery here. Stop loss at 1280, target price of 1400. Second is a buy on KEC International, one of the few stocks hitting new all-time highs. So hit a all-time high yesterday and momentum continues today as well. Stop loss at 720, target price of 850.
Okay.